Hello, and welcome back to the Disco Dish. On today's menu, we'll be cooking calabacitas, and that's Spanish for squash. Makes a great vegetarian and vegan meal. And it's a simple ingredients list. We have squash, zucchini, whole kernel corn, and onion. And so what we have here is 1 can of whole kernel corn, 2 green zucchini chopped, 2 yellow squash chopped, and 1 whole onion chopped. And there's one last ingredient we saved for last, which is the green chili. We're gonna let the disco get hot, and we're gonna put some oil. So calabacitas is a seasonal dish. It would be one of the first harvests that is produced in the local farms. So these would be one of the first things that they would make. Zucchini and squash grow fairly quickly, so they were excited to get their harvest and cook that up. And we're gonna mix that up. Yeah, this is one of the first harvests from the garden, so everybody would be excited to cook something fresh that they grew themselves. And you know, before the Walmarts and the super grocery stores that have year-round fruits and vegetables, this would be a really special occasion. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook this. We're gonna brown it and cook it well. Maybe get a little bit of brownness on everything. And then when it's about 90% done, we're gonna add in the local green chili. And let me tell you people, this just smells spectacular. And like I said earlier, this is a great vegan and vegetarian meal. I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit. Now we're cooking. This meal does cook fairly quickly. We don't want to overcook it where everything gets too mushy or anything like that. So you got to keep a close eye on it. And like I said, get to that 90% cooking, and then we'll add that special green chili. Let's go over the green chili. What we have here is homegrown, local variety chili. This is whole, of course. You peel it. And then here is it chopped. We leave the seeds in, we season it with garlic and salt to taste. Ooh. And look at that beautiful red. And now it's ready for the dish. So now we're gonna check it. And that's what we're looking for. Darkening up, caramelization of the onions. Beautiful. So we're there at the 90%. Now we're gonna add the green chili. And we like our green chili, so we're gonna add it all. We're gonna mix it up. Now you can smell the green chili in the air and that smoke. Everything's coming together, everything's marrying, and it's gonna be an awesome meal. Now I'm gonna turn off the heat and let it cook the last couple of minutes without any flame under it. You can still hear that sizzle. You can see the green chile, the zucchini, the squash, the onions. They go together so well. And I believe we're done. Calabacitas, New Mexico style. And that's the Disco Dish.